Most Turo hosts get stuck at one car, not because they can't find a second one, but because nobody ever showed them the system for scaling. So today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I take a Turo business from one car to 10. The real math, the real timeline, and the mistakes that quietly kill most fleets before they ever grow. Here's the truth. One car isn't a business. It's a side hustle. It pays a bill, maybe two. But the moment you treat it like a business, with systems, cash reserves, and clean numbers, that's when scaling becomes possible. The hosts who scale aren't lucky. They're organized. They know their numbers cold. And they reinvest on purpose instead of spending the profit. Before you even think about car number 2, your first car has to be boringly profitable. That means knowing 3 numbers: your monthly net profit after every single expense, your utilization rate, how many days it's actually booked, and your cost per trip. If your first car isn't consistently cash flow positive, scaling just multiplies your problems. Fix the one before you buy the next. Here's where most people go wrong. They take that first car's profit and spend it. The hosts who scale do the opposite. They bucket it. Every dollar of profit gets split. One bucket for taxes, because we are not getting surprised by the IRS. One bucket for maintenance and the unexpected. And one bucket for your next down payment. When that third bucket hits enough for a down payment on a smart, high-demand vehicle, that's car number 2. You're not gambling. You're letting the business buy its own growth. Scaling is won or lost at the dealership. The flashy car is rarely the profitable car. You want vehicles with strong demand in your market, low maintenance costs, good gas mileage or efficiency, and a price point where the monthly payment is comfortably covered by even average bookings. Boring and reliable scales. Exciting and expensive breaks your cash flow the first time it sits in a shop for 2 weeks. Now this next step is the one nobody talks about. 2 cars you can manage with a notebook. 5 cars, 10, that notebook will bury you. Cleanings, handoffs, maintenance schedules, expenses, mileage, income per vehicle, it compounds fast. This is exactly why I built FK Command Center. So every car, every trip, every dollar, and every tax deduction lives in one place. Because the bottleneck to scaling is never the cars, it's the chaos. Kill the chaos, and the fleet can grow. Let's talk real numbers. If one solid car nets you a few hundred a month, and you're disciplined with that reinvestment bucket, car 2 can come within months, not years. And here's the part that gets exciting. 2 cars fund the third faster than 1 funded the second. 3 fund the fourth faster still. That's the compounding curve. The first car is the hardest. By the time you hit 4 or 5, the business has real momentum, and 10 stops feeling like a dream and starts looking like a plan. So, if you're sitting on 1 car right now, you're not behind. You're at the starting line of something that can actually compound. Master the first one. Bucket your profit, buy smart, and systemize before the chaos catches you. If this gave you a plan, hit subscribe. The whole series is about building real wealth with Turo the smart, tax-smart way. And if you want the exact system I use to run the numbers across a whole fleet, the link to FK Command Center is in the description. I'll see you in the next one.